Hello, I'm Amelia. And today I'm showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix kitchen tap with pull-out spout. Here using GROHE Get as an example. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note before we get started. This installation also applies to many other models, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, make sure you turn off the water before installation. So, let's get started. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the enclosed quick guide or the installation video. To install your new tap, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a 13, 17 and 19mm spanner. Let's get started then. The first thing you have to do is slide this O-ring over the hoses of the tap body, which prevents water escaping from between the tap and the sink. Then insert carefully and secure the tap from below using the GROHE Quick Mount. To do this, simply guide the GROHE Quick Mount over all the hoses and tighten it a bit by hand. Then align the tap and tighten everything. Now connect the spout to the tap body. Make sure that the snap ring fits correctly. This should not stick out. Now screw the hand shower onto the shower hose and guide the hose through the spout. Then fix this to the short tube of the tap using a 13 and 17mm spanner. Now screw the weight onto the shower hose so that it can slide back into the tap more easily. First unscrew and then attach to the hose. Make sure it fits correctly. Now it's the flexible connection hose's turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is used for cold water and is connected to the right-hand angle valve. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten firmly with the 19mm spanner until the connection is tight. Hold the hoses tightly here so that they don't twist. Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First, turn the angle valves all the way to the left and then back again a half or quarter turn. The valves will then be easier to operate in the future. And now you can test your new tap. Job done! Enjoy using your new tap.